You can do anything you want at home. You can infuse spirits, you can infuse syrups.
Expert reviews.
This is the crucial detail Porthole Infuser. This is great for infusing syrups for tea for at-home use, not just for cocktails. You can also use the Porthole Infuser for homemade infused olive oils. This is my favorite infuser jar of all time. Ever since I first stepped foot in the Aviary, saw it for the very first time. I've built hundreds, if not thousands of these. We're able to build a cocktail in here that changes flavor as you consume the beverage. Multiple strainer options inside here. It has a perfect seal, so you can seal it as long as you like and it'll stay perfectly fresh for you. What makes the Porthole Infuser so unique is the shape and the design, the attention to every single detail, so that this can also sit flat or it can sit on its side. It can sit out when you have people over. So you have the functional aspect of an infusion jar, but you also have the beauty and presentation value to leave it out when you have friends over. Once I found the Porthole Infuser, we realized that we could actually leave our working space out for people to view behind our bar. People asked questions and people became more involved in our cocktail program. We also were able to get more suggestions from guests and from other people who wanted to talk about our cocktails, and developed a very strong connection with our guests on the quality and creativity of our cocktails. I would recommend the Porthole Infuser for any super high-end cocktail bar, craft, mixology, or for at-home use in small volumes so that you can taste individual cocktails or small volumes of cocktails with very, very intense infusions.